I've been busy doing parcels all day. I've been in the kitchen though on OnlyFans free early on. Dancing. Speaking of the kitchen, I need some sustenance. Oh, look. I got my knickers on. My knick-knack, paddywhack, get my dogable. I got my frilly ones on there, look. Ding. Ding, 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 ding. I want some chocolate. Do. How about you? Do you want some chocolate? That's good then. So mine. Alright, we've got. I'm gonna try some white Cadbury's buttons. Ooh, orange Smarties. It's actually a 3-part. The Smarties one is 3-part because there's 3 flavors, so we should do them all in one video. Because we were meant to be doing a tasting thing. Chocolate one, a white one, and an orange one. Yes, I think. I think we have. Presume we have. It's chocolate. What's one chocolate? Yeah. M&M's. Okay. No. No, that's fine. Pee. Beat up. There's all sorts in here. Pardon? You want the white buttons? I didn't start. Oh no. We've done the thingy video on that one. Oh, yes. I know we've done the thingy on this one. Yes, we've done this one. We've done this one. We've done this one. We've done this one. Right, so what these are Oreos snowy enrobed. So I've tried the milk chocolate ones. These are the white chocolate ones. You'll like these, Mr. Producer. The Oreos. Encased in white chocolate. That was a big crunch. Oh my goodness. Say, oh my God. Pick up that Oreo and eat it. Very nice, but I bet they can get sickly if you eat too many. Can't really dunk them though, can you? I know the best thing about them. The kids are going to hate them. Which means we get to eat them. You're going to toss up. And then if it lands that way down, I'm having them. If it lands that way down, you have them. No. I'm not closing my eyes. If they land with the Oreos facing upwards, mine. Best to Apple. I'll throw. You did that on purpose. It does work. You tricked it. You tricked it because you threw it my way up, so it went that way down. No, I got 2 out of 3. Three against 1, yeah. You didn't throw it. What? I don't know. I don't know. Did you just say don't eat with your mouth full? Not what you normally say. But ho ho. Right. Oreo snowy. Oh, I clicked. Oreo snowy unrobed. Mr. Producer likes them as well. But mind you, I think you'd like the milk chocolate ones, but you never got a chance with those. I ate all them. Go away, they're mine. You've got 3 packets. You'll have 6 over there. I only have 4. Do you want the box? Missile it. You don't mind. Right then. There we go. We've got sustenance now. We can finish the parcels. Then we've got a book to read. We do. So give it a like. Give it a subscribe. Find me on my Twitter and Instagram at Adelesexyuk. Find me on my Cocoscope at Adelesexyuk. And then my OnlyFans freebie $10 and the VIP 91. And I'll see you all soon. I love you all. Parcels next. On a different channel.